Hi, everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip. And today we're going to be going over how to send out scheduled messages. Now, the reason why we have our customers send out scheduled messages is because, well, maybe you've reached out to a customer and they say, I don't need help right now, but maybe in a few months. And you want to go ahead and send out that follow-up text in advance. Or maybe you want to send out one of our wonderful reminder campaigns to send out updates to any of your customers. Well, today, let's go ahead and get into that, and I'm going to show you how to set up your scheduled messages. Now, in Textdrip, we actually have 3 different ways to send out any of your scheduled messages. So first, we're going to start off by going into the inbox here. Within the inbox, you're going to select the customer's name that you want to send out a scheduled message to. So we're going to go here, and then under where it says type a message, we're going to go to the icon here that says add to schedule. From here, it's going to be really easy. You're going to either select message or drip for the reminder campaign. And then here, we're going to go ahead and select in the date and time. So let's go ahead and put in a date here. We're going to go ahead and keep the time the same, but you can change it here too as well. And let's go ahead and put in a message. So I just put in, hey, Tana from Textdrip here. Just wanted to follow up with you. As you can see, we also have a character count here. We also have a segment count. You can also add an emoji as well. And you can also put in any of your quick responses too as well. You can also choose an image if you would like to send that out to any of your customers. But once you actually select the message you want to send out, you're going to go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save, you're going to see the message is going to appear within the series of messages that are actually going to go out to your customers. Now, you're going to also see that you can edit this at any time, and you can also delete any of your messages too as well. Now, if you want to send out a reminder campaign, you can do that from here too as well. You will go back to where it says add to schedule, but this time you will select where it says drip. The same thing here, you will go ahead and you'll put in that date and time, but this time you will go in and make sure you select the correct reminder campaign. And don't forget, you can also add in a different phone number for that message to actually come from too. Once you click on save, once again, the message is going to appear here, but it's not going to actually go out into the date and time that we have at the bottom of your message. Now, we can also send out scheduled messages right from our contacts page. From contacts, we're going to click here. And once again, any of our customers, if you want to go ahead and send out a scheduled message to do that, you're going to click on the box here that says send message. Now, from here, you can go ahead and follow those same exact steps that we just went over within the inbox too as well. Now, another way you can send out those scheduled messages to your customers is in our scheduled message calendar. Now, in the scheduled message calendar, you will also be able to see any of the messages you already made in advance too as well. But if you want to go ahead and create one here, it's really easy. You're going to select here where it says add to schedule. From here, you're going to search up that recipient that you would like to send the message to. Once again, you're going to follow those same exact steps. You're going to either select a message, choose a drip, select the date and time, put in the message. You can also use our merge fields. Once again, you can add an image, you can add an emoji, you can send out quick responses. You're going to also have the character count here too as well. And then last but not least, you're going to choose a phone number and then click on save. Once you do that, you went ahead and made a scheduled message. Now, go ahead and take advantage of scheduling the messages for the future today. For more information or details about how to schedule the message, you can always book a demo. You can always click on the help tabs here, or you can always go to textdrip.com. And remember, information is subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.